Merits of minimal access surgery from patient's perspective. It's already there in the name, minimal access surgery. So if I'm doing or causing less trauma during access, the response, the inflammatory response that my body mounts to the trauma will also be less. So I'm disturbing the homeostasis very mildly. So there is no inflammatory response. If there is no inflammatory response, there is decreased post-operative pain. If there is decreased post-operative pain and inflammation, there is faster recovery. And if there is faster recovery, there is shorter hospital stay and hence a faster discharge. You would have heard or seen in your wards that patients are getting discharged 12 hours after surgery. There are patients who are getting daycare and they are getting discharged on the same day. Even people with extensive surgeries are getting discharged in 28 to 48 hours. So that is the beauty of minimal access surgery. Number 1, reduced trauma during access. That leads to reduced inflammatory response. Therefore, minimal homeostasis derangement. Therefore, short hospital stay as there is decreased post-op pain and inflammation. So in total, a faster recovery. This might seem like just a point on this notebook, but for today's women, this is very, very important. Most of them are from working class, or most of them are having a very pivotal role in their family. Most of them are homemakers who are playing a very pivotal role in their family, and without them, the entire family falls apart. So they all look for something which gives you quick recovery and a faster recovery so that they can get back to their day-to-day routine. Next thing. Do you think we are the only ones who have minimal access into the abdomen? No. Guess what? Even the microbes, the pathogens also have minimal access into the abdomen. So that's an advantage for us. There is lower risk of infection, which is a very good thing. Next, lesser adhesions because there are very small scars. This point is again going to be very important given today's age and today's era. Cosmesis. Because there are smaller incisions, it is better. There is better cosmesis. And I would like to quote one of my professors here. He always used to say that in the initial days, big incisions meant big surgeons. But today, smaller the incision, greater the surgeon is. That is how important minimal access surgery is. Next point might seem a bit confusing, but I'll make it clear for you. Laparoscopy is actually reducing the cost of treatment. You might say, sir, you talked about application of technology and technology comes at a price, isn't it? You have to pay for all the advanced electrosurgical units. You have to pay for your instruments. There is separate camera, HD camera, 3D camera, and all of that. But how am I saying that the cost is reduced? See, there is a very important concept called as loss of opportunity cost. Whenever a patient gets admitted into the hospital, not only the patient but his or her family members are also with him. There is a guardian with him, and now both of them are not working. As long as they stay in the hospital, they have to pay the fees of the hospital, also the fees for the guardian who's staying outside, his food, his accommodation. Also, you might miss your job if you're a private worker, a businessman. While you're not working, you're not generating any income. This is called as loss of opportunity cost. So having faster recovery and faster improvement in the patient status leading to shorter hospital stay will always bring down the cost of treatment. Don't only think about the cost of treatment at the hospital. Think how much you are saving with respect to the post-op period. You are spending less on your medication. You are recovering fast. You are spending less on your dressing. So this is called opportunity cost. So if there is decreased loss of opportunity cost, you save more. So that is how minimal access surgery is actually giving proper, better care at a reduced cost. So I think these are enough factors which would have convinced you why laparoscopy is being opted by most of our patients as of today. But on the other hand, let us also see some of the advantages, what advantages it poses to the surgeons. So, surgeons' perspective. If I want to summarize minimal access surgery benefits in one sentence, I would say it is like open surgery but on steroids. Why do I say that? Everything is maxed out. Your vision is top notch. Your vision is magnified. You can reach places so remote that you couldn't have reached it in your open cases. And there is illumination in even the deepest parts of the pelvis. I'll explain how. Number one, excellent vision. In minimal access surgery, you use cameras which are usually high definition cameras with great resolution, and you use a telescope which transmits light and image quality without losing on the resolution from end to end. So if this is your optical end, whatever is captured here travels through the rod lens system and it is captured at the camera at the same resolution at what it has captured at the eyepiece. So that is how crazy the vision system is. With that, you're also getting magnification. You can see everything so clearly. You can see the ureter moving. You can see all the important anatomical structures exactly like how they have been explained in your textbooks. And also, you can reach places where you have never thought I can reach. Just now I spoke about falloposcopy and salpingoscopy. Can you imagine? You can even go inside the fallopian tube and examine if the tube is in the right condition or not. So, magnification, up to 10 to 15x zoom. So you have deeper access into the deep pelvis and then better illumination. When I compare better illumination with open surgeries, I always remember how it used to be during the open cases. Your primary surgeon would always get frustrated, so frustrated, and he will call the OT assistant repeatedly, and then they would say, adjust the light. I'm trying to look into the deep pelvis and I can't see anything. That problem is actually avoided in laparoscopy because the light source is already connected to your telescope. So wherever your telescope sees, wherever you want to see, the illumination is already there. So these are few advantages of laparoscopy, which I'll tell you are the most important ones, and this is actually making the difference. This is why surgeons are able to perform the same surgery with same precision, and in fact sometimes with even faster timings in minimal access surgery compared to the open surgeries. So we're done with the second question.